What's up, you guys? It's Jason with RPM, and today we're with our Ranger 1000. We've got our Sport Muffler installed. These things sound great. They're not too loud. We know the utility guys don't want an obnoxious exhaust. That's exactly what we built them. We have spark arresters available for these guys who are running in the forestry stuff. These mufflers sound great. A little bit of bump and power. They just don't sound wimpy like the factory muffler. We just need to do something. So this is it. We got the stock sound clips. We got the RPM muffler sound clips. Of course, this muffler can be displayed with or without the rear heat shield. So you want that polished bling, you can leave that factory rear cover off. If you want to run the covers, you can do that too. That's kind of the beauty of our mufflers. These bolt right up in the stock location. These factory hardware. The only thing I'll recommend is you have a good spring hook tool to remove the 2 factory springs that hold the muffler on them. We got you covered. We sell those at RPM too. They're super cheap. You can select one on checkout with this muffler. We're excited to have this thing done, ready to offer it to you guys. So here it is.